Hmm? Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, this is Hema from Ambe International, and today we would be doing a live session. And thank you for joining for today's live session. Okay, so we will be going for some introduction part for our company. Today we also discuss with what are the current opportunities and job openings and what would be the client interviews by upcoming week and upcoming days. Okay, so let me start with a quick introduction of our company. Yeah, Ambe International is a manpower consultancy which holds the first recruitment license issued in India in 1983 to any overseas recruitment company in India. Ambe has made over 350,000 placements in 25 plus countries. Over the years, we have been serving as a catalyst in bringing together career seekers and employers from across the world. We have been instrumental in placing unskilled, semi skilled, skilled, and highly skilled personnel in the various sectors globally with an aim to achieve more in the future. Now, we would be briefing some client interviews, for the upcoming days so that, those who are available in Mumbai. So please come and attend the interview and have the opportunity for the to go on abroad and do the job. Slide. Okay, so we are looking for one of my client for a leading Med Gulf Qatar for a long-term project, and it's a leading oil and gas company, and it's an immediate departure with free food, accommodation, transportation. So tomorrow we have our final client interviews in our office at Ambe International 507 Sharnar Industrial Estate, Dr. E. Moses Road, Worli, Mumbai 18 from 9 a.m. onwards. So those who are available in Mumbai, please do come to attend the interview tomorrow. And Chennai, day after tomorrow, that is Wednesday, at ASV Resources Private Limited, 113 Alexandra Street, ASV Nagar, next to Kichpadappai Murugathaman Temple, Padappai, Chennai. Okay, so those who are available in Chennai location, please go and attend the interview on Wednesday. And those who are available in Mumbai, please do come with your CV documents to our office by morning 9 a.m. onwards. Okay, so I'm going through what are the client requirements. So basically, client is looking for a senior QA/QC engineers with mechanical and welding background. Engineers, they are looking for electrical and welding. Supervisors, client is looking for mechanical, electrical, rigging, instrument, and scaffolding. Foreman is scaffolding foreman, civil foreman, painting foreman, and millwright foreman. QAQC inspectors with welding discipline, piping discipline, and structural. And other categories are piping sergeant and civil sergeant, millwright fitters, instrument fitters, pipe fitters and fabricators, instrument technicians, mobile crane are a forklift operator with Qatar license, valid or expired. And we're also looking for a permit holders, a permit coordinators, a permit receivers with an experience, and those who are holding PTW card. Okay, so mechanical and civil would be okay. And all candidates should have 3+ years in oil and gas and good in English. Okay, and Gulf experiences must. Okay, so you can contact 77388910299619619605177. 865705162, 8291734621, 8655843961. So these are the team contact numbers. You can reach any of them to get more details about it. Okay, and you can share your email to cv2 mechanical@indianpersonal.com so that we can share you the interview call letter to attend the interview tomorrow. So those who are available in Mumbai, please do come at 9 a.m. onwards. Okay, so we will be having a final client interviews. And Chennai, day after tomorrow, Wednesday, it's in ASV Resources, Private Limited. You can also reach us to get more details about Chennai as well. Okay, next.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. So the other requirement which we are having is for one of our client, that is tracks. Okay, ट्रैक्स के लिए है, ये भी कतार लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट है, लार्ज रिक्वायरमेंट और इमीडिएट डिपार्चर होगा, फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन है. इसका भी इंटरव्यू आज था ऑलरेडी, बट और भी कैंडिडेट्स हमें चाहिए क्योंकि जो रिक्वायरमेंट है 50+ कैंडिडेट्स के है. सैलरी 1300 कतारी रियाल्स प्लस ओटी कंपनी दे रहा है. कैटेगरी स्कैफोल्डर्स का है. अगर आप एट प्रेजेंट मुंबई में हो या फिर कहीं और भी हो तो आप दिए गए नंबर पे, जो कि 9619605177, दूसरा नंबर है 7738891029, और आप ईमेल भी कर सकते हो ganesh@indianpersonal.com. अगर आप मुंबई में हो या फिर दूसरे लोकेशंस पे भी हो आप लोग, तो आप आपका सीवी शेयर कीजिए विद ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आपका सीवी, सर्टिफिकेट्स, एजुकेशन सर्टिफिकेट्स, फोटो, पासपोर्ट कॉपी, ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स होने चाहिए, जिससे हमें इजी होगा आपका सीवी क्लाइंट को भेजने के लिए एंड शॉर्टलिस्टिंग करवा के आपका इंटरव्यू करवाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट. We have one of the requirement that is for Saudi Arabia, which is for 3cc company. It's a long term requirement. The opening is for the leading oil and gas company. They are also having a large requirement, and they are providing free food accommodation. The final client interview would be in Vizag, because in Mumbai already got over yesterday. So in Vizag, it is on 29th March at Pragna Welding Institute near St. Aloysius ITI Road, Block B, plot number D10, IDA, Auto Nagar, Gujwaka, Vishakhapatnam 530012. The positions सारे हैं पाइपिंग चार्ज हैंड्स, पाइप फैब्रिकेटर्स, पाइप फिटर्स, पाइप लेयर्स, स्टील फैब्रिकेटर्स, वेल्डिंग चार्ज हैंड्स, वेल्डर्स में उनको GTAW, SMAW एंड FCAW वेल्डर्स चाहिए. All the candidates should have 3+ years Gulf experience in oil and gas. XCC या फिर गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर जो दिया है दैट कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज 02261431234. नेक्स्ट नंबर 7021102148. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 9987192444. One more number is 8655843961. आप ईमेल भी कर सकते हो हमारे ईमेल आईडी पे, दैट इज mechanical@indianpersonal.com. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे लाइव सेशन से कनेक्टेड हो तो आप स्क्रीन पे शो किए हुए रजिस्टर लिंक पे आप खुद को रजिस्टर कर सकते हो, एंड जो भी अपकमिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स होंगे या इंटरव्यूज होंगे तो आपको वो इंफॉर्मेशन इमीडिएटली मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट. We have the next requirement that is for UAE, for our leading oil and gas. So we are having the requirement for Oman, okay, for our leading oil and gas company. Next. UAE long term requirement for leading oil and gas company for oil and gas and insulation. There will be a normal medical, immediate departure before 31st, free recruitment, large vacancies. One interview already got over, but the client is looking more candidates. So you can share the CVs. Positions are airless spray painter, brush painter, sandblaster, painting foreman, painting charge hands. All the candidates should have 3+ years experience in oil and gas. आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो 7738891023. नेक्स्ट नंबर है 9945499865. हमारा लैंडलाइन नंबर है 0226143124. और आप हमें ईमेल कर सकते हो mechanical@indianpersonal.com पे. नेक्स्ट.
You know? Okay, another we are opening for Oman for a leading oil and gas company, and where large vacancies and immediate departures with free food and accommodation. Final client of interviews are going to be held on 20th March, Thursday, in Ambe International office. So there is a long-term project and shutdown project. Okay. So the long-term categories are QAQC engineers, mechanical site engineering, mechanical supervisor, rotating technicians, and alloy welders. The shutdown categories are mechanical site engineers, mechanical supervisors, um, piping supervisors, welding supervisor, mechanical sergeant, mechanical site foreman, rigging supervisor, rigging foreman, structural fabricators, mechanical technician looking for rotating, static and wall, and millwright technicians rotating. Please note this client is looking for a candidate who has an experience in oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizers, cement, and manufacturing plant. An Indian experienced candidate will also apply. Okay. You can contact on 7738891029 and 9619605 and 77 86570 or 82917 and 8655843961. And you can contact a landline number is 61431 Okay, so those who are available in Mumbai, please come and attend the client interview of short term and long term. And those who are not available, please do share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. This requirement is to be considered as Indian experienced candidates also. So those who have an experience in cement, manufacturing, oil and gas, refinery, petrochemical, please do come and attend the client interviews for long term and shutdown. Next. Okay. One more requirement, that is Oman long term with immediate departure for a leading oil and gas tank and construction company. Excellent salaries, free food and accommodation, and it's completely a free recruitment. Where final client of interview scheduled on this Sunday, 23rd March in Surat. The venue is SR Engineering, Pramukh Park, Udhana, Surat. Okay. So the categories I'm reading: shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, rigger, assistant rigger, civil lab technician, fitter, land surveyor, tank supervisor, tank foreman, tank fabricator, grinder, welder 2G, 3G, and welder 4G. All candidates should have experience in oil and gas, construction, fertilizers, petrochemical, and tanks. Indian experienced candidates can also apply. So those who are available in near to Bombay or Surat, Gujarat, please go and attend the interview on this Sunday at SR Engineering Institute, and it's completely a free recruitment. Next. One more leading client for Oman for a long-term project with oil and gas company. They're looking for AC technicians, electronics technicians, elevator technicians, junior elevator technicians, commissioning technicians, and junior commissioning technicians. Indian experience is also be preferred, but those who have a Gulf experience also, please apply. Candidate must have minimum 3+ years of experience. Those who are interested, please share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com, and you can contact our team is 8657 64128 or 022 for to get the more about details. Okay, so Indian experienced candidates also are considered for a Zoom or a technical round of interviews. Next. Okay. One more is Qatar long term, which is completely a free recruitment and shortlisting in our office is going on. Scaffolding foreman, minimum qualification is ITI and 3+ years of Gulf experience minimum the client is looking. Okay. So those who are available in Bombay, please do come and shortlist your CV along with the documents. So those who are not available in Mumbai, please do share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. You can contact our team on 86570 51263. Next. This is one more leading company in Oman for a leading oil and gas company. So they required basically UPS supervisors, AC foremen, AC supervisors, instrument foremen, training supervisors, and electronics technician. So these candidates should have minimum 3+ years of experience in Gulf. And you can WhatsApp or a contact on 8655843961, and you can drop an email on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Okay, so there are some junior categories which client is looking, that is compressor mechanic, tile mason, chiller operator, wall painter, airfield control technician, furniture carpenter, control electrician, STP operator, mechanical technician, tinsmith, AC technician, junior mechanical technician, electrician, helper, plumber, cladder cum insulator, carpenter, junior commissioning technician, mason, elevator technician, painter, junior elevator technician, warehouse helper, and electronics technician. So these candidates should have 3+ years of experience in Gulf. Okay, so those who are available in Bombay or any of the corner in India, please do share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. You can contact our coordinator. Number is 9833 280744 and 9619605177. You can also share your CV and documents on Ambe resumes at indianpersonal.com.
So, next slide, please. The next opening is for Qatar long term project, and the online interview is already going on. We are looking for auto AC technician. Candidate must have ITI or diploma. Candidate must have knowledge of auto AC and auto electrical work. Minimum 3 years of Gulf experience is mandatory. Contact You can contact us or WhatsApp on 8657764128. Our landline number is 02261 You can email your CV with the documents on mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. If you are connecting us with for the first time, you can even join your our WhatsApp channel by scanning the QR code which is given under the requirement, like all the requirements which we post. So in the corner there is the scanner of WhatsApp. You can scan that and you can join our WhatsApp channel. Next. So next we have a requirement that is for Togo, West Africa. The requirement is for stone mason. Salary is USD 1200, and we are looking for expertise in repairing and restoring stone doorways and windows. Responsibilities would be working with natural stone, brick, and mortar, ensuring the structural integrity and historical accuracy where necessary, cut, shape, and lay stone to match the existing structures, remove and replace old and broken mortar using the tuck pointing techniques, clean and steel clean and seal stone surface to prevent future damage, use appropriate tools such as sh- chisel, hammer, grinders, and trowels, ability to read the blueprints and technical drawings, English knowledge, read, write, speak is mandatory or must. Minimum candidate must have 5 plus years experience of Gulf is mandatory. Contact us on or WhatsApp on 89987192444. Another number is 70211022148. Our landline number is 02261431234. You can email your CV at anandcv@indianpersonal.com or on europe@indianpersonal.com. Next. Even this requirement we have it for West Africa, for Togo, and here we are looking for the candidates for frame fitters, must have the knowledge of wooden windows and doors. Salary would be of 1200 USD. Minimum 5 to 7 years of experience with both traditional and modern wooden frame fitting techniques. Experience in measuring, assembling, and installing wooden frames, ensuring precision, durability, and high quality finish. Responsibilities would be installing wooden windows and door frames, repair or replace damaged or misaligned frames, doors, and windows as required. Knowledge of sealants, varnished, and protective coatings, additional experience in STUCCO repairs and masonry adjustments and refinishing. Knowledge of English, of reading, writing, and speaking is mandatory. You can contact or WhatsApp your CV on 998712 sorry 19244. Next number is 70211022148. Our landline number is 02261431234. You can email your CV at anandcv@indianpersonal.com. You can also email it on europe@indianpersonal.com. Next. So next requirement is for Oman for our long-term project. This is also for our leading multinational company where we are looking for the senior floor supervisor. Signature signature. 300 Omani Riyal would be the salary. The candidate must be an engineering or valid diploma holder. Knowledge of working on outdoor signage like digital signage, yard signs, and ground signs, blade signs, directorial signs, pylon signs, or blacklit signs, road signs, etc. Able to manage production of light steel fabrication, should be able to re- mega reports, and managing people of different nationalities. English knowledge of reading, writing, speaking is must. Candidate must have minimum 5 plus years experience in Gulf. You can contact us on 9987192444, 7022 sorry 70211022148. Landline number is 02261431234. You can email your CV at anandcv@indianpersonal.com. You can also email it on europe@indianpersonal.com. Next.
Now we were just moving out a domestic requirement for Mumbai location only, where a corporate legal sector, one of the opening for Mumbai's leading legal consultants and advocacy firm. So the client is required a junior business development executive and business development executive and senior business development executive. Okay. For this, the key responsibilities includes identify and develop the new business opportunities in the legal sector, build and maintain a relationship with corporate clients, law firms, audit firms, and financial institutions, promote our legal and corporate service, including contract drafting, M&A advisory, company structuring, and dispute resolution. The qualification, which includes graduate with 5+ years of experience in business, development in legal, audit, banking, corporate services, postgraduate MBA, LLA, CA, CSR equivalent with 3+ years of relevant experience. Preferred industry background, which the client is looking for legal consultancy and law firms, banks and financial institutions, corporate service providers, company incorporation and audit and accounting firms, compliance firms. Okay, so basically, our client in Mumbai is looking for business development executive in the legal sector. You can contact on 8655 843961 or 02261431234, and you can email your CV on Shubhangi CV at the rate indianpersonal.com. Next. One of our leading client in tracks Qatar for a long-term project with oil and gas industry. So final client of interviews are which is going to be held in our office in last week of this month. So the client requires civil supervisors, mechanical technician, material controller, storekeeper, QC civil inspector, painting foreman, QC E&I inspector, sandblasters, QC mechanical inspectors, offshore electricians, QC welding inspectors, wall technicians, HSC officer or assistant, auto AC technician, foreman civil, and foreman electrical. So candidate should have 3+ years of experience in Gulf, and you can contact our WhatsApp. Our team numbers are 86570 51262, 86570 51263, and 82917 34621. You can email your CV and documents to mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Next. ये बोलती है ना तभी.
वापस से बोल दो. Disco.
Okay. One more leading requirement for Oman, which we have an interviews in our office on 20th March, that is Thursday, where a client is looking for a candidate who has experience in oil and gas, petrochemical refinery, cement and manufacturing plant with Indian experience is also considerable. This is for long-term project and shutdown project. Long-term requirements are QA/QC engineers, mechanical site engineers, supervisors, alloy welders, and rotating technicians. Where the shutdown categories are mechanical site engineers, supervisors, piping, welding, mechanical charge and mechanical site foremen, rigging supervisors, rigging foremen, structural fabricators, mechanical technicians, rotating static wall, and millwright technicians rotating. So this I'm again focusing on Indian experienced candidates are also considerable for a face-to-face round of interviews. But those who have worked in the industries like oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizer, cement, and manufacturing plant. So please be available who are in the Mumbai location to come on Thursday to attend the interview. And you can drop your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com to get the interview call letter from our team. Next. Qatar long term for an online interview, that is the requirement is for storeman or a storekeeper. Basic understanding of a mechanical tools and equipments used in oil and gas industry. Minimum 3+ years of experience in material controlling with a store and warehouse in the oil and gas industry. Okay, so this is compulsory requirement of a Gulf experience which needs to be needed. So please apply those who have worked as a previously in storeman or a storekeeper in oil and gas industry. You can WhatsApp on CV on 86570 19481. You can email as well on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Next. Next. Next slide, please. Okay, 3 बार आ गया रे. This is Oman long term, which is already explained to you for to attend the interview on 20th March. So those who have experience in steel, cement, heavy industries, manufacturing, construction, maintenance of short term and long term requirement. So the interviews are in our office on 20th March, that is Thursday, the final client interviews. So this is for completely a long term project and also a short term project. Next. One more requirement, we are looking for Europe, Greece long term, that is CNC machine operator. Salary is euro 1200 per month plus overtime for extra hours work provided. So the JD is minimum 5 to 7 experience in CNC equipments for structural steel such as pedigos, dito, woodman, client back, FICEP, etc. Responsibilities includes able to interpret blueprints, technical drawings, and CAD CAM files, troubleshoot minor machine issues, and perform regular maintenance, including lubrication. Knowledge of G code programming and CNC controls, FANUC has Siemens, etc. So those who are interested for Europe, Greece, who has an experience in a CNC machine operator, please do submit your CV and documents to WhatsApp on 9987192444 7021102 and our email ID is anandcv@indianpersonal.com or europe@indianpersonal.com. Next. नीचे का बिट लिंक का बताना.
So you can register yourself on the given link which is shown on our screen, and you'll get the latest updates, the all the interviews or the vacancies going on for the abroad. So the next requirement is for Qatar long term, and this is also for a leading oil and gas and insulation company. This is a completely free recruitment where we are looking for quantity surveyor from insulation and also the planning engineer. Any diploma, certifications in computer applications with proficiency in MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and AutoCAD, diploma degree in civil or mechanical engineering. Candidate must have 3+ years Gulf experience in insulation, painting, and scaffolding. You can contact us on 8291 and landline number that is 02261431234. You can email your CV with the documents on hemaip@indianpersonal.com. Next. So we have the requirement. This is also for Europe, for Greece. It's a long-term project where we're looking for structural steel fitter, and the salary is in euros. That is 1200 euros for 160 hours. and overtime would be provided. Candidates should be able to perform tack weld, apply knowledge of geometric physical property of metal, machining, weld, shrinkage, and other welding techniques, lay out the positions, align and fit the component together, bolt, clamp, tack, and weld parts to secure the position for welding, able to read structural steel blueprints, drawings, and weld symbols, operate grinders, torches, and other fabrications tools to provide to prepare surface for welding. Experience of working in steel companies like Tiger Steel Engineering, Jamil Steel, Ascent Steel, Evers Sendai, then William Hare preferred. Candidates should have strong communication skills in English, verbal and written. You can contact or WhatsApp on 9987192444 70211022148. You can landline number that is 02261431234. You can email your CV at anandcv@indianpersonal.com, and also on europe@indianpersonal.com. Next.
Uh, मेडिकल पे एक बार रिपीट करना पड़ेगा.
So far we are done for the requirements, but I would like to repeat one more thing, that for tomorrow there is a face-to-face interview at Ambe International office. Okay, and the ones who are available in Mumbai can directly come to our office for the interview. The positions are senior QAQC engineer from mechanical and welding. Then we have the requirement for electrical engineer, then welding engineer, supervisors. We are looking for mechanical supervisor, electrical supervisor, rigging supervisor, instrument supervisor, and scaffolding supervisor. The foremans are scaffolding foremen, civil foreman, painting foreman, and millwright foreman. And also the QAQC inspectors from welding background, piping background, and structural. The sergeants are piping sergeant and civil sergeant. Fitters are millwright fitters and instrument fitters. Pipe fitters and pipe fabricators. Instrument technicians. Operators would be the mobile crane operator and forklift operator with license, Qatari license, that would be mandatory.
Permit coordinators.
And we also have the requirement for permit coordinators, PTW, or permit receiver. The candidate should have PTW card, which is mandatory, and all the candidates should have 3+ years Gulf experience in oil and gas.
चेन्नई का एड्रेस बोल
The address for our office is Ambe International, 507 Shah and Nahar Industrial Estate, Dr. E. Moses Road, Berlin, Mumbai, 400018. The interview will start from 9 a.m. onwards. So kindly reach on time. The next interview is in Chennai. That would be day after tomorrow on 19th, like on 19th March in Chennai. The interview location would be at ASV Resources Private Limited, 113 Alexandra Street, ASV Nagar, next to Khij Padappi, Murugatham Temple, Khij Padapai, and Padapai, Chennai. The PIN number is 601301, and the interview will start from 9 a.m. onwards there is as well. So the ones who are in Mumbai, kindly come to the office for the interview tomorrow, and the ones who are out of Mumbai are nearby Chennai location, then kindly attend the interview in Chennai. And this requirement is for one of our leading client, that is Medgulf, Qatar, and the requirement is for long term project. They are having the large requirement The departure would be the immediate. Food, accommodation, transportation, everything is given by the company. So far, all this are what we are having, and we would request you to attend the interviews at the nearby locations wherever you are, or else in case if you are not nearby to the interview venue, then you can share the CV with the documents so that we can let you know for our upcoming requirements. Thank you.
हर्षदीप सिंह सर, फ्री रिक्वायरमेंट है वेल्डर आर्क मिग गैस वेल्डर गैस कतर फुल एक्सपीरियंस. हर्षदीप सिंह जी, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडेज लाइव सेशन. सर, आप पहले मेंशन कीजिए आपका करंट लोकेशन क्या है. इन केस मुंबई में है तो प्लीज आप ऑफिस आ जाइए. आप अवेलेबल नहीं हो तो प्लीज आपका सीवी mechanical@indianpersonal.com में भेज दीजिए. नेक्स्ट. Okay, so thank you for joining today's live session. You can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Orkut, YouTube, and Instagram. You can contact on 82919 99288. You can please scan your QR code with Google Lens to join our WhatsApp channel. Our office address is 507 Shanar Industrial Estate, Dr. E. Moses Road, Valinaka, Mumbai 18. Our website is www.ambeinter.com. You can register a link on http://bit.ly/ambei to get the more updates.